Michael Dant, Staff Vice President of Carelon Post-Acute Solution. I've got responsibility for P&L performance and new solution development for all of our post-acute products. That includes home health, our post-acute facility, benefit management product, DME, in-home wound care, social determinants of health, as well as STARS. We were building out our original network of home health providers across 16 states, and we needed to be able to roll that out all at once. From a tracking and contract management perspective, everything was done on spreadsheets at the time. The process that we had in play was fairly manual. It led to a lot of errors, and I think would lead to a lot of downstream claims impacts and kind of re-adjudication. We were really seeking kind of an all-inclusive provider data management system, contract management system that we could use to not only help develop the network and manage the development of the original network, but also ongoing, hold of our contract terms, integrate in with our claim system, integrate in with our utilization management system, and just have kind of a one-stop shop for provider information at the company. Coordinator worked with us for the last 6 years that helped manage the day-to-day relationship, and they always provide guidance and what we feel like is in our best interest, whether or not they feel like it's in theirs or in Salesforce's. We feel like they've always kind of got our interest number one. So it's been a really good relationship for us over the last couple of years. Team built integrations in with our core system, so there's a real-time feed of information as things are updated to all of our core systems across the business, which allows us to, again, automate a lot of this kind of day-to-day activity that we provide. They also built out a provider directory for us that our members and providers use to locate high-performing providers as well. One of the really cool things that they built was a provider verification tool. Medicare requires that every quarter you validate demographic information for your provider network so that obviously members know, they have the right number that they're calling, they have the right address that they're going to see. Team, we're able to build out that verification tool and that form that we're effectively able to send out automated notices on a regular basis every quarter and reminders within the quarter. And then providers can click on that. It takes them right to their account. They're able to, either approve and validate or make inline edits on that information that rolls right back into the system in real time and then feeds all the source systems. So without it, we'd be still operating on spreadsheets and surely would need a tremendous amount of headcount to make that work. They always have the customer's best interest at heart, and it's been a great relationship for us. Again, I think we've extended this maybe 3 times at this point. I can't thank them enough. They're a great vendor for us, a great partner for us. I think the agility that they're able to show and able to step in and help us solve problems and not just kind of be a vendor that's in play is really helpful. Spent a lot of time in the health plan world. I've seen a lot of different network management, contract management systems. I haven't seen any that are as robust as this, that are as simple to use as this from a user experience standpoint. I would recommend health plans take a real hard look at what they're using and how it compares to a system like this. We manage networks, we manage contracts, we build out networks. And again, I've used a lot of different systems and in my experience, this is kind of all encompassing and the user experience is kind of bar none. So not only is the system really good, but again, just a great team, and they're able to kind of dig in and they want to dig in with you to solve your problem. So take a good hard look at this option when you're looking at contract management systems.